read the question, this 11B, after getting 10% discount. So this 10% is definitely discount, right? So I'm going to write 10% as discount percent. Discount percent. So given discount percent is 10%. And when I further read another part of the question, there is 13% VAT is also given. So VAT percent is 13%. And this 2034. So very important thing. This might create this is the main thing here, 2034. So now what do you think, this is the amount paid by customer? So what do you think the customer paid amount is called? Is it market price, is it selling price, or is it selling price with VAT? So out of these three, okay, again I'm telling, is it just market price or selling price with VAT? What do you say? So that is SPV. I'm writing SPV is 2034. So these three things are already given, right? And when I read further part of the question, again I can find there is a profit percent also, and that is 20%. And now let's read the, by how many percent did he mark the price of the bag above the cost price? That means the question is actually asking you how much, how many. So that I'm going to show you that chain. So that chain thing I'm going to show you for that. Okay, just a minute. Okay, here is the chain that I have to show you. Yesterday's the chain of this business is from cost price it goes to increase, right? And from increase market price comes, and then discount, from discount SP comes, from SP if it goes towards bad, then SPV comes, right? This is the chain that we are going to follow. And if it is related to profit and loss, then it goes to this direction. So but our the problem in this question is both the thing is given, VAT is also given, profit and loss is also given. So where we have to follow, and the question is asking you this wala amount, this I कति छ त, cost price बाट market price मा जाँदा यिनीहरुको difference कति छ भनिरहेको छ है. So that is the thing. So we are supposed to find this, but the given thing is यो दिएको छ, यो दिएको छ र यो दिएको छ भनेपछि हामीले स्टार्टिङ यहाँबाट गरौँ, हाम्रो रेस यहाँबाट सुरु गरौँ. हामी यहाँबाट सल्भ गर्दै 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 एकचोटी चाहिँ यही डिरेक्सन फलो गर्छौँ. We are going to follow this direction. Okay, from market price we'll suppose market price as X. Okay, so first step we are going to follow this direction, because if you follow this direction what will happen is your X value will be obtained, and again we'll come back and we'll follow this direction, and then we'll reach to cost price, and then at last we'll find the difference between market price and cost price. So the process is very simple. Why we are following this direction first is because SPV value actually was given. So first from here we will follow this direction. Okay, so let's begin all of you without hesitating. So actually the question target is to find the increased amount, that means I. By how many percent they are asking, we'll find increased percent, but before that first we have to find increased amount itself. So all of you, let's begin. So first we have to suppose let MP equals to X. So remember we are following, again I'm repeating, we are following this direction. So from after MP what we found, what we have to do, we already know, that is discount. So D percent of MP, very simple. So D percent is right now 10%, 10% of X. So that is 10X by 100. So discount is done. And then we have to find, what we have to find? We have to find definitely SP, because after discount, immediately after discount, SP only comes to any equation. MP minus discount, MP X minus, so 10X by 100. So it is 90X by 100. So this is your SP. So after SP,
Sir,
just a minute. Okay, SP is MP minus discount, right? All of you. And then after getting the value of SP, definitely we have to find VAT. So VAT is, so why VAT? We are going towards the VAT direction, okay? Because as I have already told you, SPV value was given. That's why we are following, firstly we are following that direction. and that is 13% of SP, and 13 by 100 into 90x by 100. So I can cancel this 0 and this 0. Okay, 13 nines are how much? 13 into 9. 9 threes are 27, 2, 9 ones are 9, 10, 11, 117x by 1000. Okay, this one is. Okay, so now definitely after that, we have to go to, okay, so remember, I'm going to show you this direction also, is SPV is equals to SP plus VAT. So here will be the creation of one equation, all of you. So that is 2034 is equals to 90x by 100 plus 117x by 1000. And 2034 equals to, we have to solve this as equation. Okay, now because this time SPV value is also available. So this is the place where we will be deriving the value of. So this one is 900x plus 117x, and then 2034 is equals to 1017x by 1000. Okay, and what will happen now? This 2034, 3 zeros divided by 1017 equals to x. So one of you, can you help me with the division thing of this? 20,34,000 is how much? Okay, is it 173? Okay, 1738.46. Okay, so this is your market price.
So my that MP came 2000 when I divided.
It is, yeah, 2000 only. Okay, so this is the market price. Yes, so now we have to return back once again. So now, so when I see the chain, because market value earlier it was X, now it is 2000 declared. Now you have to follow this direction. Okay, so now we will no, actually directly, okay, you even you don't need to follow the direction, directly go to SP, put the value of X in that SP which we have already found. In terms of X we have already found, because earlier why to follow the long method. So let's begin from here, because SP value is already available which we have already done. So now we have to begin from SP, profit percentage is given, then we'll find CP, and then later on we'll find the difference between them, and then I value is found. Okay, okay, now we have to do like this. Now SP is equals to 90x by 100, which we have already found. 90 into 2000 divided by 100. Yes, so these two zeros cancel, so it is 1800. So 1800 is SP, and now because we are not going towards this direction, we are going towards this direction. So what is this value given by the question? We have already know that is profit percent is given 20%. So now if SP and profit percent is available, then to find CP we have one shortcut formula: SP into 100, 100 plus P percent. So SB is 1800 into 100 divided by 100 plus 20. So 181234 divided by 120. So what is 120 into, okay, 1,80,000 divided by 120 is how much? One of you, can you help me? Okay, 1500 is the cost price. So now can you just directly say what is the increase amount from cost price to market? Now we can compare. Now go to your chain, that chain rule. So here is 2000, this is 1500, this one is 1800. We already know. So okay, it is not necessary to go. So now see how much it has increased. From by seeing also we can say it has been increased by 500 before it was marked. So we have to show that. Now first let's find how much price has been increased, the shopkeeper. So increase amount we are going to find here. Okay, so that is increased amount. I is equals to 2000 divided minus 1500 equals to 500. So this is the increased amount. If you have to find increased percent also, we can find that is okay, definitely increased by the old price is 1500 into 100. So that means by how much percent it has been increased. Okay, 500 divided by 15. What is the increase percent? Can you one of you again divide this 500 divided by 15 and let me know from the chat. 33 also we can write. So 500 divided by 15 is 33.34 percentage or similar to this. So this is your answer.